Question 10, circle P has center at P21 and passes through point 6, 1. Circle Q has its center at Q, -2, 1 and passes through point 0, 1. Regina is writing an informal proof to show that circle Q is similar to circle P after a similarity transformation followed by a rigid transformation. Which two transformations will map circle P onto circle Q? Be sure to select two answer choices. So dilate, 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 those are all similarity transformations. Reflect, reflect, and rotate are they are the rigid transformations. Sorry, that. So I'm going to again use, if you didn't watch the other video, this is at geogebra.org/classic. So I would first, it wants to transform and map circle P onto circle Q. So I'm going to graph circle P since that's the one that they first started with. So circle with center through a point. The center point is at 2, 1, and the point is at 6, 1. So now it wants a similarity transformation. So I am just looking right now. Circle P is larger than circle Q. So to me, that tells me that the scale factor is going to be a fraction because the resulting circle was smaller. So I'm going to first just try this, dilate from a point. Again, I'm reading the instructions right here. Select object, then center point, then enter factor. So select the object, select the center point, and the first factor I'm going to try is 2/5. And then it says to reflect in the y-axis. So then I'm going to click on here and notice that it says reflect about a line. So I'm going to select that, select the object to reflect, then the line of reflection. So here's the object, it's this new center, and I'm selecting the line as the y-axis. So I just lined up my line right here. And notice that this right here, I'm not sure if it's centered. So this is how I'll find out what the exact center is I'll just select straight across. Wherever these two intersect at is their center because I'm creating two diameters. So their center looks right here, let -2, 1, which is the center for circle Q. So it was dilate with a scale factor of 2/5 and reflect in the y-axis. So what I did, you might be asking, well, why did you select reflect in the y-axis? I just knew that the dilate with scale factor of 2 was off the table, and then so I went here and I was going to just try and eliminate the pair. So I was going to try this one with this, and if that didn't work, then I'd try it with this one, the dilate with a scale factor of 2/5, and then the reflection in the x-axis, and a scale factor of 2/5, and then a rotation, just to see if all of those possibilities would work out. If not, then I would move on to dilate with a scale factor of 1/2 to the reflection with each of these, just process of elimination.